Wellington-on-Sea respond to the call for local defence volunteers under the leadership of local bank manager Captain Mannery.
Now we've no arms. We're naked. But we have one invaluable weapon in our armory. Ingenuity and improvisation.
This evening's film at 6:20 on BBC One.
Edgware, northwest London. First settled as an ancient parish in 1216, Edgware is a bustling suburban town. It is well connected with public transport. It has several shops and businesses, decent housing, and stable crime rates. It may seem like an ordinary place at first, but in the world of the supernatural, you should never judge a book by its cover. Paranormal activity around Edgware is noticeably high, and the area has been known to harbour all kinds of vengeful ghouls and mischievous poltergeists, such as Avenue House, where spirits of a family of 3 roam the corridors in the area surrounding it, and Alexander House, built on the site of a former asylum, where a shadowy apparition of an evil face glides through the rooms. But there is one urban legend that truly stands out from all the rest. One that is of more recent origin and has already attracted the most attention from paranormal investigators: the Edgware Animals. The Edgware Animals are a group of small children who inhabit the bodies of animatronic mascots from the Freddy Fazbear's Pizza franchise. They have been seen to roam around the pitch-black rooms and rotting corridors of a Freddy Fazbear's Pizza restaurant in Edgware Road, listed as Location 13 by Fazbear Entertainment. The Edgware Animals are commonly to have been seen haunting the bodies of the animatronic mascots that have been left behind when the building was closed last year in 1987. Although occasionally they have also been spotted as ghostly apparitions of children, which is why they have also been dubbed as the Children of the Dark. The most likely reason as to why the Edgware Animals take the form of children is because they are likely to be linked to the 4 children that have been murdered in nearby High Barnet in 1982. As the apparitions that have been caught on camera look strikingly similar to the children that were murdered. The reason why the Edgware Animals have attracted the most attention from paranormal investigators is that despite having to have only originated a few years ago, the Edgware Animals already has a list of very disturbing encounters, and they are also the most vengeful and the most aggressive spirits that have ever been discovered. The sightings of the Edgware Animals first began in 1985, when a local poet and priest encountered them. He wrote, "Their presence was accompanied by the sounds of dreadful banging and children crying, echoing throughout the dark sea of blackness, as if the devil himself and his army of demons were invading the land of the..."